Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine on the Saturday morning and taking care of yourselves. And it's been a crazy weather out here in US. So Denver it was very bad too. So everything is all right. We had power, we had water, and it was only very cold. It was in minus 23s and minus 21. So at least today it is only minus 3 degrees. I still love this weather because it's only minus 3 and minus 4. If something is under minus 10, we get used to it. But if it is extremes like if it goes like minus 23 and all, that is too much and it becomes hard to sleep also because the rooms and the walls are so cold. So, friends, today I'll be sharing a very good home oil remedy, and it's just made with coconut oil. You can just make this hair oil, which is very useful. And it will help you in growing your hair well, and you won't have baldness problems, you won't have any alopecia problems and dandruff problems. This oil is really very beneficial because I've been using this oil since my childhood days. As I was a kid, when I was growing up also, I used this oil, and it's very nice, and I didn't have any scalp problems and all because in India we used to apply coconut oil, and this was the home remedy which my mom followed. So I'm just going to share of here because many people have asked what is it that I can do to help my hair growth better and baldness go away, dandruff go away, scalp which is scratchy and which has dandruff and all, and you won't find scales of when you itch your hair or something. And when you wear dark color clothes, you'll not find that flakes are falling all over your dress and all. So today you'll have to excuse me because I've come without makeup, and people will I'm sure people are going to say, oh, you look so different without makeup. Actually, people must be saying, oh, she looks so ugly, and but this is how it is. I just wanted to show you how normal and natural I could be, and I'm coming and showing you because I just made this hair oil 2 days back. And I'm saying 2 days back because this oil has to be kept closed and get it infused for 2 days. So this is made from 2 days, and I had this oil. So let's get started, and I'll show you how you can prepare this oil in your own home, and with your best ingredients you can just do it. So without much ado, we'll go into our kitchen. So here these are kalonji seeds. I have taken the kalonji seeds. I ordered it from Amazon, and it is Jiva Organics, organic kalonji. It is even known as Nigella seeds. Here it's written Nigella sativa, 1 pound jar. I don't know how much I got it for because I bought it from a long time and I had this. So here I'm taking 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. This is even known as methi dana. You'll get it in any Indian stores. You just mix both, and now we'll make it into a good powder. So here I'm using parachute coconut oil. This I bought it from an Indian store, and you can even order it from walmart.com also. So I'm just going to powder it now. I don't want to make a big sound, so I'll just powder it and I'll show you. This is how I'm taking it in a mixie jar. So here I've taken it, and it only came little, but I'll be running the whole mixie for it. It will get powdered very nicely. So it got powdered well, and it looks very good, nicely powdered and crushed. So now we'll add this in our container. So I want to make sure that we have a glass bottle for it. So I'll measure it in this bottle, and this is pure coconut oil. I'll just take so much so that I can mix even the powder which I just made with Nigella seeds. So I'll just take it and pour this much and just heat it up for 2 or 3 minutes so that it melts very well. I'll just keep it on high for 2 minutes. We don't need to do it for a long time. So here it looks like this. Now we'll just shake it and we'll pour it in the bottle. So here I'm pouring it in the bottle. We put it, you can even strain it, but it will be nice if you don't strain it, and you can use this because all this ingredients, the two ingredients will just settle down on the bottle, so it will be easy for you all to apply it. Actually, just see the color, friends, it's looking so good and black. So now I'll pour all this into the bottle, because everything, when you're using it, it will get the infusion of it. So here I've taken 100% pure castor oil. This is also very good, and it makes your hair color go black. I'll just take very little, like only half a spoon, because its consistency is very thick. So I've just taken only half spoon, and I'll just mix it. And this oil has to be kept at least for 2 days, because it will get infused well. So friends, it was that easy to make the oil and all. Now I'll just show you, see, all the ingredients are settled down, and you should always have a glass bottle. Don't put it in a plastic bottle, because plastic can melt and all, but glass bottle, it really preserves the oil, and this oil will last me at least for a month. So you can make it every month, a fresh batch, and use it, and you'll see so much of difference just within 1 month. So within 1 month, if you finish this bottle, you'll say, oh, I need to make my new oil and my new batch. So I have like this 3 bottles, which I have given, one to my kiddos bathroom and one for me, and I keep one extra, so that whoever finishes, we can use that half and half. So without much time again talking, if I start talking, I talk so much. Over here I've taken a small container. It's called Katori in India, and it's from India. So I'll just take how much I need it. So I've just taken very little. So I don't know how to show you guys. If you can see, I'll just show you. I just took 2 spoons and I did eyeballing over here. So these are 2 spoons, and 2 spoons of oil are enough for my hair. Now I'll just massage into my scalp and show you how I apply my hair oil and how I comb my hair. So let me start. So here's my container of oil. I'm all ready. So let's get started. You can even take a spoon and use it. I'm very comfortable with my own fingers. So I'll just use my fingers. Just massage. And if you can do it with both the hands, easier, because you'll know how. And I can feel that it is warm and nice, and the oil should always be warm. Then only you'll say, oh, it's so good. Always massage. Just massage well. Do with your fingers. You'll have a good massage, and you'll know how much oil is there in your head and how much you want to put actually. So you just need to take from down also. Just take, just start from here also. So I hope you all can see it. I usually stand and do my hair oiling. So just apply in all the 4 directions. I mean, the head is actually round. So you need to really go from round about. You can come to know like this, like this, like this. So it's like that. So I'll just take a big pour over here, because I need to put it in my middle of my head, middle of my scalp. And if you can do this tap, 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 it's so healthy, and the blood circulation. My mom used to do this so well. I used to have so much of relaxation, and when this was being done when I was a kid and growing up, and it is called champi in India and Hindi. So this is how you need to do, and the hair circulation, blood circulation in your brain goes well, and this makes the kiddos even smarter also when you do this to your kiddos. So it's so good. I'm feeling so happy already. Now I'll come to the length of my hair and just start putting, because I don't want dry hair to my hair also. I don't like dryness. And I just took a shower yesterday in the evening, the head shower. Then I said, oh, I cannot be without oil. I like to have oil. So this really is so good. I think this is my second hair oil which I'm using on this channel. I have one more. I'll put it in the description below. So it's so good. So I'm feeling already so good and my head is so relaxed. This is the best way to pour actually. I like to do this. Then just, this is known as palming. It will make the oil again so warm. And if you feel that you have applied the hair oil well, just take this hair, bend your head down. Now you can just put the remaining oil at this back. It's so good. I feel so relaxed. Oil massaging is so good. I just love it. Just comb my hair and remove all the knots and I'll come back in 1 minute. So here I've just brushed my hair and I've taken out all the knots. Now you can just do whatever hairstyle you want to do. So just, and when you have done, you don't get much hair loss also, hair fall also, because you get very minimum, and that's the best advantage of this oil, you know. See, now there are no knots. I'll just make it into a plait, get a shower and then meet you all. So this was my home remedy which I make for my hair oil. I hope you all like it, and just keep 2 or 3 things in your mind that this oil can be used by men, women, babies, kids, anyone. So this hair oil is a very good hair oil and it won't harm anything. And pregnant women also can apply this hair oil on their head. And hormones change during pregnancy so much, so you'll have to just keep it very nicely oiled and combed well. And you can just, the only thing is that once you have had your hair wash, the next day you can apply this hair oil, and you can keep this hair oil on your head for 2 or 3 days actually, so it won't harm you, and the hairs will really remain nice and it won't be wavy. So this is the trick. When you need a gel or something, you can apply this also. And if you feel that you don't like oil and you have kept the hair oil, you can immediately wash it also, but make sure that at least you keep it for 2 or 3 hours. And if you can keep it overnight and wash it, this will help you in your good hair growth, and you'll have very good hair, soft texture, your texture will grow well, and this is a very good hair oil. So I hope you like this little home hair oil trick. So this is very good, and I don't mind staying with oil like for 1 or 2 days and then just washing it off and just going about your weekly routine, your daily routine. This hair oil is so good that you can just apply this hair oil and go out, and your hairs will stay shining. So I hope you like this hair oil, and if you have liked it, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye. Take care.